Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your mouse with the Android smartphone. So let's get started. So if you have a mouse, you can actually get it connected. Now, some of the wired ones can connect directly in the charge port, but most of the newer mouses will have a dongle either to connect or a Bluetooth one. So if you have a Bluetooth one, make sure first it's turned on. If there's a battery, make sure you have the battery on. And all you would do is go into your setting and then look for connections and then tap on Bluetooth right here and then look for the device. And if you see it, you simply tap on it and it will begin to connect and you can start using it right away. Now, sometimes you might not have a wireless connectivity. In that case, through the Bluetooth, you can also have another method, which is connecting a dongle, which on a lot of the mouses will have this dongle. You can pull this out, the similar one that you use to connect to your computer. And then you need what's known as an OTG adapter, which takes a USB-A and converts it to USB-C for newer Android smartphones. And all you do is just simply go ahead and hook that piece up. And now we have converted basically the A to the USB-C, or the type that can go into our charge port right here. So you just simply push it in there, and then you want to make sure if there's an on option, make sure it's turned on. If it's not, and you can see here, I already have it on. I can see the cursor here right there showing. And to show you a little bit better, I'll scroll here. As you can see here, the mouse pointer as well. I can click on it and move around as well. And that's how I can use basically the mouse with the Android smartphone. So that's how you use it and connect it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.